Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell crypto on Coinbase for cash. Let's begin. Number 1, select sell. So you go to the top right, then select sell amongst these other options where it says buy, sell, then convert. Number 2, select the crypto you want to sell and the amount. Number 3, update to the destination if needed. This defaults to your local currency balance USD, but you may have the option of adding to another balance, example USDC. Number 4, select review order. So you go to the right side, let's select the blue button which says review order and has an arrow pointing to the right. Then number 5, select sell now to complete the sale. Once the transaction is complete, the funds will be available in your cash balance. In the mobile version, you're going to select buy and sell. Number 2, select sell. Number 3, select the crypto you want to sell and the amount. Update the to destination if needed. This defaults to your local currency balance. The number 5, select review order. The number 6, select sell now to complete the sale. Once the transaction is complete, the funds will be available in your cash balance. And there you go. Hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.